Hello everybody, I am going to use Philadelphia blueberry cream cheese, some confectioner sugar, and some dough. So I went ahead and melted it just a tiny bit to soften it. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Make sure you set your oven so that way it can have plenty of time to warm up. I'm going to go ahead and spray my cookie sheet. So what I did was I went ahead and put some food color to make green and orange. And I'm going to go ahead and start on the decorations. What I'm going to plan on doing is making some little leaves and a little pumpkin to put on top. I'm using confectioner sugar. You just kind of shape the little leaf however you want it to look. Put a little line. And then I have this clay extruder. It's pretty neat. Once you use it for food, you do not use it for clay. This is just for food. I usually just put fondant in it.